This is Leon Mielke doing a brief recording off the back of my lab exercises for the fulfillment of MSc Cybersecurity Ethical Hacking module. So jumping right into the executive summary of my work. The pen test outcome score, in my opinion, for this organization is critical. There are two main reasons for this. Firstly, there are weaknesses in the configuration and user behavior of the environment that create attack vectors. Secondly, we have utilized these attack vectors for exploitation, and we have installed a persistent backdoor on one of the platforms as a result of these weaknesses. In summary, the mitigating steps that should be a matter of priority for management are as follows. Management should ensure that they start using strong passwords on all platforms for all users. Strong passwords are at least 8 characters long, with at least one capital letter, one special character. Special character is a % sign or star or pound sign, and there should be at least one number. So these should be strong, smart passwords that are not easily crackable. Secondly, the organization should improve the website design hosted at 192.168.10.100 to not show any usernames on or in the programming of the site. This is important because looking for attack vectors, one of the first things you try to do is find potential usernames. By removing usernames and by anonymizing usernames, you should not be able to identify or guess usernames to start trying to run exploits. Fourthly, the organization should patch all of their operating systems. And fifth, the organization should remove their security weaknesses based on the OWASP top 10 security scan that we performed. Now, coming back to patch operating systems, I know it's always a mouthful to say, oh, we should patch operating systems and update for security weaknesses. I just want to demonstrate why this is so important. So, navigating here to my Kali machine. So if we have my Metasploit instance running, we can try and look for weaknesses in Metasploit pertaining to this unpatched weakness. So in Metasploit we find that there is a specific weakness pertaining to this unpatched security issue. So if we tell Meterpreter to use this exploit, and we set a couple of parameters. So I have set a user with administrative access as a backdoor account. So I set as that user. I have given it a weak password. Set the target IP address. And we run this exploit. We should successfully connect to this machine as a result of this unpatched security weakness. The account that I created in the background is also an administrative account, so I should be able to hop into a shell. Indeed, and I am in with full access to this machine. So that just serves to prove why it is so important to patch these systems. So that concludes my brief presentation. Thank you for listening.